Hey guys, welcome back to another Makeup Monday with me. Today we're going to be doing a makeup look based off of Barbie because the Barbie movie, are you guys excited? I mean, it's out. You probably already saw it. Anyway, let's do it. Okay, so we're going to be doing a Barbie look, but we're going to be doing this Barbie look and making it alternative. It's Barbie, so of course we're gonna go in starting off with pink, and we're gonna be doing a pink cut crease. So I'm going in with a hot pink, and I am dabbing that along my crease. Guys, I don't know about you, but I'm actually really excited for this movie. Not excited enough to go see it in the movie theater because I'm antisocial and I hate the movie theater. But I am very excited for it. I can't wait for it to come out not on the movie theater so I can watch it. And Margot Robbie, I love Margot Robbie. All right, now that we've got some hot pink lids slash nose, don't forget to blend it out. So I'm just gonna go in circular motions and blend, blend, blend. I'm not putting anything extra on my brush. I'm just using the pink that's already there. All right, I'm just taking a wet Q-tip and I'm going to go in and kind of clean that up. If I had makeup remover, I would definitely be using that. That would be way easier than doing what I'm doing right now. Now that it looks like I basically didn't do anything, I'm going to put a little bit of concealer on my eyelid. And then I'm gonna look up and trace that line. Okay, now I'm going to start taking a sparkly pink and just tapping that on the concealer. This is where the alt plays a part. We're gonna go in with some eyeliner and hopefully I can get it to work for me today. So I'm just going to pull that out and I'm just kind of following the line of where I had that concealer. And I'm gonna do that around the concealer as well. So I'm going to start pulling that out this way. And just following that line. And trying not to mess it up. That's... Ooh. Messing up eyeliner is like the worst. I messed up a little bit, but like nobody's gonna know. I'm following that all the way down to my nose. And we're gonna give it a little inner corner. I said little, but my eyeliner said big, thick. That's how I wanted it. And I'm gonna tightly line across my lid till it connects to this line here. Right now we're gonna go in with some black in the under eye and kind of smoke it out just a smidge. All right, I'll be right back with lips and brows. This is the final look. Let me know what you think. Have you guys watched the Barbie movie yet? Let me know how it is because like, I feel like it's gonna be really good. I would love to see it right now if I didn't hate movie theaters so much. Like, it takes a special movie to get me to a movie theater. Anyway, guys, I have no idea what I'm gonna wear because like I don't really have anything Barbie or even like alternative Barbie. Check out my Instagram if you want to see what I come up with, and I will see you guys on Wednesday. Thank you so much for watching.